What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. You guys saw I delivered to somebody earlier. That was for $22. Beautiful home, whatever. So anyway, doing a $27 now. I'm at a different location, but the same store. So I'm gonna go in here and try to see if it works. It says start shopping, and I think it wouldn't say that if I couldn't shop it here. So, because I know at the bottom it would say, actually, hell, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go in here and shop this, and I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, that shop was okay. I don't know, for this, I think it made sense to shop it here since I was already at the store and it was able to be shopped here. But they were out of stuff that might not have been the case at the location that they were going to send me to, and that's simply because they know what maybe is in stock there versus what's here. So I don't know, so I can't necessarily recommend that, but if it's like super far and you're at the location, a location that you could shop at, I do recommend it. So it made sense for today, but I did have a little hassle because there were some things that were out. But anyway, we added some stuff, so it should equal out to where I'm not lowering my tip because I had to refund some stuff, but we'll see. So now we're off to the drop off and I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, got a Sam's Club order. I haven't been shopping at Sam's too much lately. But anyway, got a $36, 9 items, 13 units. It does have 4 waters, which is going to be a lot, but the rest of the stuff is pretty easy. 5-hour energy, some laundry detergent and fabric softener, and looks like some canned dog food. So it's going to be a bit of a heavy order, but we're going to go ahead and knock it out and get us to a good point for today. So I'll get back with you guys once we get this shopped. Welcome back, guys. We got all those orders done for today. Our total is $95.22, I think. I'm driving right now, so I can't look at the order. No, the chapati. $95.20 something is the total for today. So the video is going to be circulated around. I guess if you can shop a order at another store, of course, some of you guys might not know, and I might have said it earlier too, but sometimes when you accept an order, no matter if you're in the same store but a different location, they will say this order can only be shopped at this location. So the order I did earlier, it did not prompt me to do that, but instead what it did, it prompted me to, it said it was in the wrong store, and it said, would you want to shop here anyway? So I chose yes. But like I said, that might hinder you because sometimes you might not, the algorithm might know that there is a surplus of stock at one store versus another, and you're choosing to go to a different store, so you might run into an issue with items being out of stock. But anyway, we made it through it today. Today was one of the better days this week. Got my good luck charm with me, I guess. Whatever. So hopefully everything's going good with you guys. Go hard this weekend. I'm gonna try to go as hard as I possibly can, and let's maximize our profits this weekend. All right, guys, have a good one, and always stay safe and positive. See ya.